Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. The holidays were amazing, y'all, but I can't say that I'm mad that it's over at all. Today we're doing a massive post-holiday reset. We're gonna undecorate, deep clean, and just get this living room ready for 2026. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. My name's Trish, and on this channel we discuss all things home, all things life, and just all of the things. Whew, I got a lot of energy. I don't know why, but I have some energy. I just finished up a video and I'm just starting a new one because that's what we do here. I want to get to some of my Christmas decorations. I still have them up. Typically, I'm the person like New Year's Eve, I want them down because I want the house to be super clean before the new year comes in. But I wasn't feeling like that this year. I was just taking my time. So I am going to just start derailing some of the decorations tonight. And then that's what we're going to get into. We'll go from there. So welcome back to another vlog. If y'all are new here, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe. We talk about, like I said, all things home and life, but specifically home decor. I do like some style on the aisle content, and we just do like lifestyle things here. If y'all like that, go ahead and take a minute. But other than that, I'm going to go on to my next task. Talk to y'all later. I always have such mixed emotions during this part. Like, on one hand, I love the glow of the Christmas tree and the ambience that it brings to the house, just something different than, the normal decor throughout the year. But my living room is starting to feel, it's starting to feel cluttered with all this extra stuff. So it's definitely time to like just reclaim my space. And I'm starting today by tackling the ornaments, the mantle, the coffee table, and the sideboard area first. Do y'all feel like y'all have way more decor when y'all putting it away than versus like taking it out? Because baby, I feel like I said I wasn't decorating this year or like over decorating this year, but it still just seems like a lot of work when it's time to pack everything up. Like, where did all this come from? Who purchased all this garland? Who purchased all these ornaments? I don't know. Like, sometimes I think like I'm just gonna have a simple Christmas and just do one tree versus doing 4 and 5, and then at the end it still feels like overwhelming to put everything together. But I think it's just because when I'm doing it, I'm multitasking. I'm still momming, I'm still cooking, and I'm trying to like undecorate and clean all in the same time. But I try to just take it slow and enjoy the moments. What kind of traditions do y'all carry out? Do y'all take all of y'all decorations down like on the 26th, first thing in the morning, getting straight to it? Or are y'all like me this year and just getting to it whenever? Because it's well into the new year, and I still been plugging the tree up and everything as if it's 2025. Yeah, let me know what y'all like to do. As I'm packing everything up this year, I'm really trying to be intentional about how I pack things. Sometimes I'll just go in and start putting the ornaments in the boxes just because I'm done with the season and I'm ready to move on. But this year I'm being intentional about taking it slow. So I'm purchasing new bins and then I'm going to have them color coded. So all the burgundy bulbs will go on one, the green ones will go on one, the black, the blue, the neutrals. So next year when it's time to decorate, I know where everything is. I know what I have. I'm not like rebuying and the same decor. So I'm just definitely trying to make it less stressful next year when I'm taking everything out. All right, and then take off whatever balls you can take off.
I can't.
You can't reach none.
Nope.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh my god! Right here, can you reach it? Listen, if I get it to you. Not at all.
In this house they celebrate like this. Nobody Trish. When you come through the door and see the decor,
We lazy.
it's homebody Trish.
You got it.
You know she like to celebrate.
Yes, it is.
In this house it's always a family affair. So pull up a chair and enjoy the vibe. Watch homebody Trish go live. And watch Derek, the hardest working man, make miracles with his hands. And watch Logan, Langston, Leah, Lawrence and Lovin do the things kids always like to do. It's the holiday season and that's a great reason to celebrate and decorate. Spreading family love, that's what homebody Trish does. You already know who it is, it's homebody Trish. It's homebody Trish. Yeah, you know who it is.
That's just the way we are. So this part to me is like super therapeutic, just getting rid of all the decor and getting things back to normal, I guess. Just like a nice reset. It's definitely at the top of the year. I know a lot of people are just coming up with new goals and trying to bring new energy and leaving that old energy in the previous year. So like clearing out the old decor and packing it up, it clears mental space for me. I've been thinking about my 2026 goals, and one of the biggest ones is just to kind of reduce some of that visual noise in my head, and just to complete projects around the house. I have so many lingering projects, and I just know that it's always going to be something. So I'm trying to really just focus on enjoying the moments as they come and not putting too much pressure on myself to have things like, I guess the way, I don't want to say perfect because I don't think things should be, or I don't think things are perfect, but just to my liking. Everything doesn't have to be to my liking every moment of the way, I guess. Just kind of going with the flow. So packing up these items is just helping me clear some space in my head and think about my 2026 goals. And have y'all been writing y'all's down? Like I don't know, this year is just different. I normally have all my goals written down on a paper. I haven't even got to it yet, but I want to take a day to kind of just like chill, and just write everything down on the paper, bullet points of how I'm going to accomplish everything. And yeah, this right now to me is just like the first step to doing that. Clearing out the old decor and clearing out old things from 2025 and making room for what's to come in 2026. Alright, y'all, so it feels good to have the tree down and all the Christmas stuff put up out of this room. I kind of want to just leave it blank like this just for a few days, just to sit with it clean and clear. I just like to have a blank slate before I change anything and give myself some time to like really visualize what I want to do. I'm definitely going to add some curtains in this room. I've had them for probably the last 2 years and I just never finished hanging them. So we'll do that, but I'm not going to do that tonight. So yeah, I definitely want to finish that. And then I'm going to figure out some stuff for the coffee table. Right now, I'm just going to add basically what was there. I want to add a candle to books. And all we have left to do is vacuum. And then we are done for the night. Shut this room down and go on to the next one. There is just something about vacuuming that just instantly makes the house feel reset. This area rug that I have here, it doesn't leave those satisfying vacuum lines like I like, but you can definitely tell the difference. And my little secret for the perfect living room refresh, I wipe my ottomans down with a mix of warm water and a splash of fabric softener. It doesn't just make the room smell incredible, it's actually my trick for getting those crisp clean vacuum lines to stay perfectly in place. And I try to just be mindful to move the small furniture just because there's always something there. I don't know if it's a toy, popcorn, whatever, it's going to be something there once I move it. So I just always try to remember to do that.
Does it well. Homebody Trish can't be missed, whether she's unwinding and designing or whining and dining, she's steadily climbing.
the Christmas tree, the ornaments, 2025, it all has come and gone, and I can finally breathe again. It feels so amazing how a few hours of work can completely shift the energy of a home. I feel so much more prepared to take on the rest of the year now that my space is back to its normal state. If you're still working on your post-holiday reset, keep going. The feeling at the end is beyond worth it.
You know who it is. So mighty Trish, come get with this. So mighty Trish.